In this video, you'll learn how to transfer Tron from OKX to your Telegram wallet. This process involves a series of steps to ensure your funds are moved securely and efficiently. Begin by opening the Telegram app on your device. Once the app is open, navigate to the settings option, which is typically represented by a gear icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, look for wallet, which may be listed directly or found within your profile options. After selecting wallet, you will see the option to add funds or deposit. Tap on this option to continue. A new screen will appear, prompting you to choose the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. From the list of available currencies, select Tron or TRX. Once you've chosen Tron, Telegram will display your TRX wallet address along with a QR code for easy scanning. It is essential to copy the address accurately to avoid any errors during the transfer process. You can do this by tapping on the address to copy it to your clipboard. Next, open the OKX app on your device. In the app, navigate to the Assets section, which can usually be found in the main menu. From there, select Withdraw to initiate the process of transferring your funds. When prompted, choose Tron or TRX as the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. You will now need to enter the details for the transfer. Paste the Telegram TRX address that you copied earlier into the designated field. It is crucial to double check that the address is correct. Then select the TRC20 network, which is the network used by Tron for this transaction. After confirming the network, enter the amount of TRX you wish to transfer. Before finalizing the transaction, review all entered details carefully. Ensure that the address, network, and amount are correct to avoid any mistakes. Once you are satisfied, tap on Confirm to proceed. Depending on your security settings, you may need to complete two-factor authentication to verify the transaction. After confirming the transfer, you will need to wait for the transaction to be processed. TRX transfers on the TRC20 network are typically fast, often completing within a few minutes. Once the transfer is confirmed, you will see the TRX balance reflected in your Telegram wallet. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.